going on, guys? Dr. Real Estate coming at you from my home. I'm just joking. This is my newest listing. We're at 17 Garrett Street in the beautiful township of Cedar Grove, New Jersey. Custom colonial home. Let's go take a look. Come on. Welcome to this kitchen, guys. Probably my favorite kitchen. It's a full eating kitchen, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinetry. We have 4 bedrooms. Two and a half baths. Again, it's a custom colonial home, perfect for New York City commuters. Take a look at the home, tell me what you love, and set up an appointment with me. What else I love about this home is this incredibly spacious and clean master bedroom. You got crazy mountain views there. You got a full bath in there, and you got a walk-in closet for her or him, and plenty of closets or a little tiny space for the man. Take a look. And finally, we end off with this 2-car garage and a backyard that is fully pavered. Great for entertaining. It's perfect, guys. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Give me a call. My phone number is right here. I'll see you on the next one.